how to share YouTube video on Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to share YouTube video on Instagram story. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just scroll down, find the video that you want to share on your Instagram story. And now here, once you have found that particular video, what you can do is you can just tap on the share icon shown in the bottom of that particular video. Once you have selected it, and now here a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, what you can do is you can just swipe through the options and find for the Instagram story option as well. But here, if you don't found it, you can just copy link as well. And now here, with this, you can even take the post or screenshot of the thumbnail as well to share it on your Instagram story. And now here, once you're done with it, you can just open the Instagram app. Now here, once you're inside it, you can just tap on your story option shown in the top left side of the screen. Now here in this section at the library, you can just select the thumbnail that you have screenshotted before, and from here you can just crop it as you like. And here again, with that, you can also add the link that you have copied before as well. Now here you just have to paste the link, and here once you're done with it, you can just tap on done, and that's it. That's how you can share YouTube video on Instagram story. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.